A Haas VF5D/40. It's new in 2004. Serial number 38446. It's equipped with the Haas CNC control. Machine is also 4th axis ready. It's chip auger, programmable coolant. It's also equipped with Renishaw probing and the tool touch setter. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM. There's a 2-speed winding. That's 3,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. Spindle's runs very nice, smooth. Do a tool change here. Another one. All right, jog the axes. It's a Z-axis. Got your X. And last, your Y. All right, that just about does it for our video. Thank you.